Focus on injection mold making and molding since founded in 2010, in Dongguan City, China. Kehui Mold has a professional and aspiring team of engineers and technicians working in a clean and tidy environment and using advanced equipment to turn your concepts into reality quickly, accurately, and at a great price. Our mold designers focus on translating customer requirements, drawings, or 3D models into detailed and complex injection mold designs. Also, our designers will hold meetings and discussions with the engineers and sales on time. After the design has been confirmed, we will start the tool fabrication. During the fabrication, we will send a weekly report with process photos to our customers every Tuesday to keep them up to date with the project progress. The CNC machining department have state-of-art CNC machines and experienced machinists. From machine programming to quality inspection, the CNC machining department transforming raw material into perfectly shaped mold components with precision and efficiency, ensures that each mold component meets strict standards. EDM processing is used to manufacture complex and precise mold parts. EDM machine serves to shape the contour of the material with controlled electrical discharge and extremely high precision, which enables us to manufacture injection molds with complex geometry. We grind flat raw materials to tight tolerances and surface finishes by precision grinding machines. Through the control of details, it is ensured that the mold parts can meet strict tolerance. We carefully measure and verify the dimensions and geometry of machined parts using advanced CMM equipment. By performing strict inspection, we ensure that all mold components meet the required specifications and tolerances. In injection molding, Kehui uses automated robot arm system for reducing human intervention and potential errors, simplifying and optimizing the injection molding process. In this way, we increase efficiency and precision so that we have shorter cycle times and higher output with maintaining a stable quality of injection molded products. Our services are global. We have established cooperation with markets in more than 20 countries and serve in automotive, electronics, medical devices, consumer goods and more. We support customers to develop market with our professional services. Our varied services allow us to meet diverse market needs. Till now we have completed more than 3,000 projects. We have professional engineers and sales who speak fluent English and German to answer any questions you may have 24 hours a day.
We always put our customer at the first place and show them we are with high quality products. Welcome to visit us.